This challenge is called cookies. It's an easy level challenge from the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2021 event. The description says, "Who doesn't love cookies? Try to figure out the best one." And then there's a link over here. What we need to do is we need to right-click on the link and open the link in a new tab. So once we arrive here, it says, "Welcome to my cookie search page. See how much I like different kinds of cookies." So for example, they've got this one here, Snickerdoodle. We can search for that. And it says that doesn't appear to be a valid cookie. Let's try chocolate chip. Okay, and we'll try that. It says that is a cookie. Not very special though. And I love chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so what we can do is we can manipulate the cookies on this web page. We can go over to the 3-dot menu over here. And over in More Tools, we can click on Developer Tools. And what we need to do is click on the Application tab up here. And inside the Application tab, we have cookies. So we have cookies for different websites, including the website that we're looking at right now. We have a cookie which is called name, and it has a value of 1. So anytime we see cookie values that are something that is predictable, and in this case, we can predict that there is a cookie value of 2. And after we look at cookie 2, after we switch the value over to 2, we can reload the page. And then it says, "I love oatmeal raisin cookies." And maybe we can switch the value over to 3 and try this again. "I loved ginger snap cookies." So we can do this all throughout this range over here. I think in this challenge there are about 25 different cookies, but the cookie that we're actually looking for is cookie number 18. And cookie number 18 is the flag. So the flag over here is everybody loves cookies. And we can copy this and then go over to the challenge description page, paste in the flag, and click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.